Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another edition of Tank Tries, and today I'll be trying Roni Heat and Eat chicken and rice flavor. So, my buddy Protomet has been trying these lately, and I thought I'd give them a try myself. But what he always said, you know, hold from the top. Hold here. See, there's a little hold here, if you can read that. I think I just showed you it upside down. Oops. But it says hold here. So simple enough. We hold here because the bottom's gonna be hot. So let's do this. 1, 2. Okay. Smells like rice. Chicken rice. Yeah, that's warm. So, I got myself a spoon. I'm gonna grab myself a, smells good. I don't want to spill anything, so we're gonna, okay. We got a decent That's good. Note to self, need to grab a little table next time I do one of these. Yeah, that's good. This is good stuff. Chicken and rice flavor. I'd have this again. Yeah. For a quick little snack, you guys, or to take to work, you know, just throw in the microwave and enjoy. You guys, it's, I like it. Easy. They're good. That chicken, the chicken seasoning, and goes good with the rice. Yeah, so, till next time, my friends and fans, I've been Tank, signing off. Have a wonderful day, night, evening, whenever you're watching this. And always just remember, sometimes we all have to go down just to get back up again. And yeah, I'm sorry guys, I can't, just, you know what, be awesome to each other and just always remember to have a good time, because we're here to have a good time. We're not here for a long time. So much love to y'all. Peace.